Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build camping accessories that are scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. For a lantern, take a 2/3 round 1x1 dome. We're going to place a round 1x1 transparent yellow brick right on top and one of these modified 1x1 plates with the stick on top. The stick is going to be used for the minifigure to grab a hold of the lantern. For our radio, take a 1x4 plate. Let's set down a 1x2 flat tile with what appears to be a cell phone print. We'll place that right in the center. And on both sides, a set of 1x1 round flat tiles. Now I want to flip this over, and on the back, take one of these modified 1x2 plates with stick. I'm going to place this right in the center, and to finish up the corners, a pair of 1x1 plates. For our wheeled ice chest, take a 2x3 plate. We're going to set down a pair of 1x2 modified plates with lift arm. Place these on one side of the 2x3 plate, and on this side here, a 1x2 plate. Then I'm going to proceed on with a 1x2 plate with stick, place that right there, and then I'm going to crown this off with a 1x2 plate. For this area, a pair of 1x1 quarter wall elements. We're going to place one here and one on this side. And yes, that's all the space you're going to have inside. And on the left hand side, stack two 2x2 plates right on top of one another and a 2x4 flat tile. Now I want to flip this over and I want to attach some wheels to the bottom. So I'm going to insert a set of Technic pins with stud, and on the studs a set of round 1x1 flat tiles for wheels to complete the wheeled ice chest. For our portable fire pit, let's start with a 3x3 parabola dish. I'm going to flip this over, and right in the center I'm going to take a 2 stud long 3.2 mil stick with flange, set that right in the center, and on this side a 2x2 parabola dish. And inside the parabola dish, a 2x2 round plate. I'm going to place this upside down towards resting on the 3.2 shaft. For flames, take a hollow stud and a little flame piece. I want to flip the stud upside down, and we're going to stick the flame inside the tube as shown. And then I'm going to make two of these. I'm going to place these in opposing areas on the underside of our 2x2 round plate. Sometimes these can be a bit of a chore to get in there. And then I'm just going to fold these together to give us a nice flame effect for our fire pit. For the propane stove, take a 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 8 studs. On the bottom, I'm going to place a 1x2 plate followed by a modified 1x2 plate with stick. Place it on as shown. Face it this way. On the left hand side, a 1x2 flat tile, and on the right hand side, a 1x1 flat tile. And on these two studs right here, a set of pearl silver studs. Place those right on there. Well, if that one wants to get on, trying to get away from me. And on the top for a grill, a set of 1x2 radiator grills. Now for the propane tank, I'm going to use a round 1x1 brick. I'm going to stick a tap in the top portion, and then I'm just going to simply place the tube on this stud. Now for a lid or a top, take one of these little flag pieces, and I'm going to snap that right in there. Makes a nice back for our stove. Easily close it up.